Hello, my friend, and welcome to the Daily English Podcast. Today, we're going to learn useful family vocabulary in English. We'll go step by step, one word at a time, so you can understand clearly and remember easily. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your family and relationships in English without confusion. Let's begin. Parent. A mother or father. Example, my parents help me with homework. Child, a son or daughter. Example, the child is drawing a picture. Mother, a female parent. Example, my mother makes delicious food. Father, a male parent. Example, my father works in a bank. Stepmother, your father's new wife, not your real mother. Example, my stepmother is very kind. Stepfather, your mother's new husband, not your real father. Example, my stepfather takes me to school. Brother, a male sibling. Example, my brother is tall. Sister, a female sibling. Example, my sister likes reading books. Brother-in-law, your sister's husband or your spouse's brother. Example, my brother-in-law is a doctor. Sister-in-law, your brother's wife, or your spouse's sister. Example, my sister-in-law is very friendly. Stepsister, the daughter of your step-parent, not blood-related. Example, my stepsister and I live together. Stepbrother, the son of your step-parent, not blood-related. Example, my stepbrother is older than me. Half-sister, a sister who shares one parent with you. Example, my half-sister has the same mom as me. Half-brother, a brother who shares one parent with you. Example, my half-brother is very funny. Grandmother, your parent's mother. Example, my grandmother bakes cakes for us. Grandfather, your parent's father. Example, my grandfather tells interesting stories. Great-grandmother, the mother of your grandparent. Example, my great-grandmother is 92 years old. Great-grandfather, the father of your grandparent. Example, my great-grandfather fought in the war. Adopted child, a child who joins a family legally. Example, their adopted child is from another country. Only child, a child with no brothers or sisters. Example, I am an only child. Now that you know all these family words, let's use them in natural sentences and improve your understanding. This is my family. Here are some sentences about the people in the picture. Are you ready? Let's go. I am the only child. My parents are in their 40s and they look very young. They met at university and got married after graduation. My dad is a teacher and my mom is a doctor. We live in a small house, but it's very cozy. My parents love each other very much. Here are some more examples. My parents have 2 children, a boy and a girl. The boy is 10 years old and the girl is 7. My younger sister is studying in the 2nd grade. She likes to read books and do science experiments. My older brother is a teenager. He spends most of his free time playing video games. I don't have any step-siblings because I'm an only child. I have 2 half-siblings. My half-sister is 25 and my half-brother is 18. I also have 2 uncles and 3 aunts. One of my uncles is married and has a son. He's my cousin. I haven't seen him since I was a kid. Another uncle is a widower. He lost his wife 5 years ago. My 3 aunts are single. One of them lives in Spain and the other 2 live abroad. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you describe your family using the vocabulary we learned today? You can write a comment below or share your ideas in our free online English lessons. It's easy and fun to use. There are lessons for all levels from beginner to advanced. You can study grammar, vocabulary, listening and speaking skills, and you can take quizzes to check what you have learned. Plus, you can practice with native speakers. There are many opportunities to speak English with native speakers, both online and in person. It's really good for improving your English skills. There are many other benefits, too. So if you haven't tried it yet, click the link in the description to get your free account. Cousin, the child of your uncle or aunt. Example, my cousin and I are the same age. Uncle, your parents' brother, or the husband of your aunt. Example, my uncle lives in another city. Aunt, your parents' sister or the wife of your uncle. Example, my aunt is very kind. Nephew, your brother's or sister's son. Example, my nephew is only 3 years old. Niece, your brother's or sister's daughter. Example, my niece loves to draw. Immediate family, parents, brothers, sisters, and children. Example, I live with my immediate family. Extended family, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and more. Example, we have a big extended family gathering every year. Relative, any person in your family. Example, all my relatives came to the wedding. In-laws, your spouse's family. Example, I spent the weekend with my in-laws, ancestors, family members from long ago. Example, my ancestors came from another country. Review. Today we learned 30+ words for talking about family, from parents and children to in-laws, step-siblings, and even ancestors. Your challenge. Choose 3 words from today's list and make sentences about your own family. For example, my cousin lives far away, my niece is very cute, and my grandmother makes the best soup. My dad has 2 sisters and 1 brother. His brother is married and has a son, which makes him my. My dad's side of the family is really big. I have lots of. On my mom's side, I have a half. Because my parents got divorced when I was young, my dad married one of his co-workers, which made her my. I don't like her very much because she's always criticizing how I look. I have a good relationship with my grandparents. They often take me out for ice cream, and my grandpa teaches me how to play chess. Let's have a look at some of the more complex examples. My parents are in their 40s. 40s is a special term used in English to refer to the decade of age between 40 and 50. For example, I'm in my 30s. It's just a way of describing your age group. They look very young for their age. This means that they don't look as old as they actually are. My dad is a teacher, and my mom is a doctor. Dad and mom are informal terms meaning father and mother. Basically, these are ways of addressing your parents in a casual and relaxed way. In British English, the word mum is sometimes used instead of mom. Another thing to pay attention to is the pronunciation. I usually pronounce it mum, but Americans tend to say mom. They're both informal terms, so you would only use them when speaking to or about your parents in a relaxed situation. And here's your bonus expression, to be related to somebody. This means that you are connected to somebody by blood or marriage. For example, I'm not related to my husband's family, so I call them my in-laws. But I'm related to my husband. My dad's parents are my grandparents, and my dad is related to me because he's my son. To be related to somebody is a formal expression, so you should use it in formal situations. That's all for today's Daily English podcast. Remember, learning family words helps you talk about the people who matter most in your life. In English. See you next time.